Racing just started one slow out, and that is Limay. We have Conte Partiro. Porasol is Arias, then comes Lovely Icy. In between horses comes Man of Honor, Kiss, Bang Bang. While Limoy is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the lead. Racing down the back stretch, we have Conte Partiro. Applying a little pressure. Now Arias is Porasol, then 4 lengths back in third now. Moving up is Lovely Icy. Directly inside is Man of Honor, Kiss. Bang Bang second less, while Limay is still racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Conte Partiro. By length and a half, Boris all in second, and in third, Lovely Icy. Man of Honor comes next, Kiss, Bang Bang, while Limay is still racing in less. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Conte Partiro, barreling and a half, and in second, Boris all. Moving up now is Kiss, Bang Bang, Lovely Icy as they swing for we have Conte Partiro, this time by about 3 lengths. Boris all in second. Mamipaniya sa Kiss, Bang Bang. Last 75 years, we have Conte Partiro, and finally Conte Partiro. Second, Kiss, Bang Bang, Boris all, Lovely Icy.
At iyan po, nakita nyo, magandang pagpapakitang gilas. Numero 1, Conte Partiro. Segundong dumating na, numero 6, Kiss, Bang Bang. At yung nakasabay niya sa unahan, numero 2, For Us All. Tingnan po natin ang replay dito sa ating race number 4.